Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by organizing your files so the upload runs smoothly. Select high-resolution JPEG and make sure each image is correctly cropped and under Shutterstock size limits. Once done, prepare concise titles and 5 to 7 strong keywords. This improves discoverability. Also gather any model or property releases as PDFs. Shutterstock requires them for recognizable people or private locations. Uploading now saves time later, and these steps prevent rejections because you fixed metadata and legal documents up front. You drag your organized images into the Shutterstock contributor uploader and watch the progress bar to confirm transfer. Next, enter a clear, searchable title and apply 5 to 7 targeted keywords that describe subject, location, mood, and concept. This is how buyers find your work. Then choose the most specific category and subcategory to increase relevance. Don't forget to attach the correct releases to each image. Otherwise, those files can remain unpublished. Keep an eye on warnings and fix any flagged metadata immediately. You finish by reviewing previews and metadata one last time, then click Submit to send images into Shutterstock's review queue. Expect an email within 24 to 72 hours telling you which images were accepted or rejected. If everything passes, files go live and start earning. If an image is rejected, read the reviewer notes carefully. Often it's a metadata issue, minor retouch, or missing release. Edit the image or update the keywords /releases. Then resubmit. This targeted fix usually clears the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.